Hello and welcome. This is Vakila again. And in this episode, we are meeting to discuss the fourth mode of the major pentatonic scale, the G major pentatonic scale for that matter. So we are meeting to discuss that. And what we're going to do is we're going to look at the fourth mode. By looking at the top fretboard here, you can actually count from degree 1, and that's 2, that's 3, and then that's the fourth note there in the G major pentatonic scale, and that fourth there, the fourth note there. You're gonna find out that we are starting from there. Okay, so we're starting from D. So it's called the D Ritusen mode. The D Ritusen mode. That's the fourth mode of the G major pentatonic scale. The G major pentatonic scale. So it's called the D Ritusen. The spelling of Ritusen is Ritusen. So that's the Ritusen mode. Now we're going to start it on the D from this octave of the G to G, this first octave. Start from D and land into this second octave, which is D on there. Okay. So let's start on the D. So this is the horizontal way of looking at it. The vertical way, I'm gonna have a D there. So I'll just put the shape there, and you will, and then we explain what's going on there. Okay. So this is the shape here, which is there. D E G A B D E G A B. Now this is still the G major pentatonic scale because we're still in the key of G, and like I said, the formula for the G major pentatonic scale, or for any major pentatonic scale for that matter, is 1 2 3 5 6 1. 1 2 3 5 6 1, and the intervallic formula is tone tone 1.5 tones, tone 1.5 tones. Okay. Now, in terms of the mode, let's look at the mode from D to D there. So you have a tone, 1.5 tones, a tone, and then 1.5 tones. Again, it's a tone, 1.5 tones, tone, 1.5 tones. Okay. So this, by the way, you're comparing these notes here. You're superimposing them on the D major scale, and then you can get that formula. Now, the formula in terms of degrees is actually, after superimposing it on the major scale, you'd find out it's 1, and that's a 2, that's a 4, 5, 6, and back to 1. So it's 1 2 4 5 6 back to 1. Okay. All right. 1 2 4 5 6 back to 1. Okay. You might find out that it's another kind of, it's also suspended fourth there, because you don't have a third there. You have actually a fourth. So it's another suspended fourth, but this is called a Ritusen mode. The difference is that with the suspended is that the suspended has a flat 7. This one has a 6th. The suspended is a flat 7 here, but this one has got a 6th. Down the B is the 6th of a D in the D major pentatonic, or in the D major scale. Okay, so this is beautiful, and so you find, in terms of the frets that we are looking at down here, go to the second fretboard, find D to E, G to A, B to D, E to G, and A to B. Now, in terms of the fretboards, of the frets actually on the fretboard, it's if you count it, this is 12, 13, 14, 15. So it's a 15, and this is 16, 17. So it's 15, 17, 15, 17, 14, 17, 14, 17, 14, 16. Okay, so that's an easy way of looking at it, and and um, and you know, it's an easy way of looking at it. Now, this is beautiful. We are happy here, and we as I'm going to reiterate here because I want to complete this episode. This program is talking about the G major pentatonic scale, in particular the fourth shape of the G major pentatonic scale. We know that there are 5 shapes of the G major pentatonic scale because the G means 5. Sorry, penta means 5 and tonic means or refers to the tones. So we have 5 tones in the G major pentatonic scale, and we have dealt with mode 1, which is the G major pentatonic mode, mode 2, which is the A suspended pentatonic mode, and mode 3, which we say is the the B Mangong pentatonic mode, and we are now on mode 4, which is our D Richardson mode. It's called the D Richardson mode, and the formula for the D Richardson mode is 1 2 4 5 6 1, and the intervallic formula, as you can see, is a tone, 1.5 tones, tone, tone, 1.5 tones. You know what? I want to thank you very much for watching this program, and if you have any questions that pertain to these modes, please write on the YouTube channel, and then we discuss them as we learn from one another. We teach each other, learn from one another. I learn from your questions as well. If you give me a question, I go and research even more. The major pentatonic scale, by the way, is used quite a lot in on the African guitar. So you might want to listen for that next time you listen to an African piece of music. So the advantage of the major pentatonic scale is it's just a 2-note per string kind of scale. 2 notes. So you're playing using, you might actually use 2 fingers here if you want to. So that's the nice part of the major pentatonic scale. Thank you very much. My name is Vikile. I'll meet you in the next shape, the next and the last shape. Last but not least, because you're gonna see, as you're gonna see there. Thank you very much. I'll meet you in the next shape.